3,600. Rescue workers have intensified efforts to locate survivors trapped under tons of rubble of flattened homes and buildings in earthquake-hit Nepal amid concerns the death toll could rise more. Rescue teams are reaching remote mountainous areas to conduct operations. We now have a report detailing the rescue and relief efforts in Nepal, named as Operation Maitri. Operation Maitri marks India's all-out efforts to do all it can to help Nepal in its hour of need. This massive operation has been scaled up with the enormity of the tragedy unfolding and in light of fresh tremors that continue to rock Nepal on day 3. IAF transport and helicopter sorties continue in full swing. Transport aircrafts conducted 16 sorties yesterday and IAF helicopters flew 27 sorties. The weather permitting, the aim is to push up these numbers. 6 medical teams, engineering task force components, blankets, tents and other items are being flown into Nepal. RO plants, oxygen regenerators, medicines, 1,000 blankets, 100 tents and 3 teams of NDRF have also been dispatched since this morning. One C-17 aircraft of the IAF carrying 58 tons of water has also left Palam for Kathmandu. The C-17 Globemaster, which can act as a flying hospital, and an Air Force Communications Center vehicles have also been sent. These will assist in communication for helicopter operations. 22 tons of food packets, 120 large oxygen cylinders were moved yesterday, while more are en route today. According to the Ministry of Defence, 40 large tents, 1,400 blankets, 50 tons of water have been rushed and more material is en route. A 40-member Army Engineer Task Force, along with separate teams to check Nepal's power grid to help restore power supply at the earliest, are also in Nepal. A team of 34 Indian doctors, including surgical teams, orthopedic teams and trauma management teams, along with NDRF teams for relief and rescue, have been flown in. A total of 10 NDRF teams are currently operating in Nepal under Operation Maitri. 6 more teams are ready to be deployed. Army and Air Force choppers are undertaking aerial recce of the roads affected to help troops reach remote areas. 10 engineering task forces and 10 IN MAR satellite units are in Nepal to aid satellite communications. The army is on the job non-stop, undeterred by bad weather and damaged landing spots. The heavy lift aircrafts of the IAF are not just ferrying tons of relief material, but are also bringing back evacuated Indian and foreign citizens. Till Monday morning, the Indian Air Force had made 12 aircraft sorties, evacuating 1,935 passengers from Kathmandu. 14 civilian flights, 7 scheduled and 7 special flights are operating today from Kathmandu to Delhi. Buses from Pokhara to Raxaul and Kathmandu to Gorakhpur will also evacuate Indian citizens. Apart from the centre, states too are doing their bit to help the devastated nation. They have sent relief material and teams to assist those on the ground. India is leaving no stone unturned in its effort to help its closest neighbour in overcoming one of the worst disasters in over 80 years. Bureau Report, DD News.